You hold Cardano ADA as we enter 2025. This video is for you because the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, just revealed something pretty epic that I think all ADA holders, anybody interested in Cardano, would definitely want to check out in this video. So make sure you guys stick around until the end. This is going to be jam-packed. We're going to talk about price action, why I believe 2025 could be very, very interesting for Cardano. And many of the experts think that Cardano has a 10x plus in it right now as it sits below $1. Now, of course, I'd be happy with a $5 to $7 ADA price target. That's what I've been saying for a while, but the upside could be higher, especially if this new proposal that we're going to talk about in the video goes through. And it is called CIP-113. We're going to get into that later on in the video, guys. But for right now, I want to take you guys inside the market and give you guys kind of the breakdown on what we see and where Cardano's fitting in here on January 2nd, with the market bouncing back pretty nicely, guys. Bitcoin at $97,000, Ethereum up over 3,400, XRP's up 9+%, $2.42. Solana's had a really nice burst, back up above $200. Cardano's sitting here still in the top 10, up 9+% today, just around 96 cents. 33, close to $34 billion market cap for ADA. We have seen volume really ramp up here as we've entered the new year here in 2025. Cardano came all the way back down to 33 cents before the election. 33 cents before the election. It has 3x'd essentially from those bottoms. And it actually went all the way up in early December, up above $1.20 for a little bit. But Cardano's still a ways away from its all-time high, about 69% away from the all-time high set 3 years ago, back in September 2021, where we hit $3.10. Now, a lot of people just look at fundamentals and they get excited about where Cardano's going. Developer activity has been on the rise, and people are eventually going to rotate into altcoins. And it starts with secure altcoins, especially when it comes to the big money in crypto, right? The big money goes back to trusted projects, trusted companies. Cardano has proven to be just that when it launched back 7 years ago in 2017. But now with the whole new wave of investors coming in and the new different dynamics that exist in crypto, the new narratives, one of them being RWA, or the tokenization of real world assets, everybody's jockeying for position. Everybody's vying for that top spot when it comes to RWA. And Cardano Founder reviews CIP-113 proposal for real world asset tokenization. He's turned his attention to this week as we enter 2025, acknowledging the progress made on the initiative, expressing plans to review and provide feedback on this proposal. Hoskinson revealed intentions to collaborate with the proposal's development team via Cardano developer J.J. Seiler to assess how this could align with Cardano's broader strategy for RWAs. Notably, the whole discussion around CIP-113 has really took to X now, and the entire community is talking about what this looks like for 2025. Cardano stablecoins, securities, and RWAs. Mateo noted that CIP-113, central to these updates, has been in development for over a year, prompting Hoskinson's engagement. Now, the proposal seeks to set a new standard for interoperable securities, stablecoins, and tokenized real-world assets within the Cardano ecosystem. At its core, the CIP-113, it's going to be introducing smart contracts which are derived from users' stake credentials, allowing tokens to be securely transferred and managed. These accounts enhance security by ensuring tokens cannot leave the account without explicit transactions. This feature strengthens compliance and asset management. Very different than Ethereum's ERC20 standard. CIP-113 is going to be eliminating the need for token delegation. This obviously reduces security risks. And according to Mateo, early adopters like Fluid tokens, mini swap DEX, they're already preparing. They're already getting ready for the implementation of CIP-113. And it's expected in Q1 of this year. And Hoskinson thinks there's a lot of potential with CIP and with Midnight, which is a privacy-centric sidechain, to make sure things are secure and compliant when it comes to these RWA transactions. Cardano expands its cross-chain partnerships involving RWAs by integrating CIP 113. This could position Cardano as one of the leaders in tokenizing real-world assets. With its approach to programmable assets, CIP 113 set to unlock new opportunities in DeFi and asset tokenization as a whole. Hoskinson actually talked about the big implications of RWA a month ago on his YouTube channel. He said the goal is to make Cardano the premier platform for tokenizing and managing RWAs securely, efficiently, and compliantly. Hoskinson also addressed concerns around features like freeze and seize, clarifying that these tools could serve non-adversarial purposes such as asset recalls, identity updates, or dividend payments as well. So exciting times, I think, as we roll into Q1 2025. And I will say this, outside of the whole RWA discussion, what Cardano's doing specifically, I think just the macro for altcoins, especially altcoins that are US-based, altcoins that have been around for a long time, that have great leadership, right, that have a forward-facing person that has been in good graces. The future looks bright because with Trump coming in, I think he's going to really focus in on helping the US-based companies. And I still think Hoskinson has a really good chance to be at the forefront of the future of crypto in the United States, right? Has a really good chance to be one of these people on a committee to have a seat at the table, essentially, right? That's what we'll be looking for. How quick will things happen? How quick will things materialize in 2025 in terms of the new SEC chair once Gary Gensler's out, the new crypto czar and David Sachs, Paul Atkins, the new SEC chair, as the aforementioned their new SEC chair coming in to replace Gary Gensler. It's going to be interesting. And I think Cardano's really set to benefit in a big way. That's just my opinion, not financial advice, but Cardano's been something that I've been holding since 2021. And I'm ready for a $5 to $7 ADA. I don't know about you. Let me know your guys' thoughts on all of this down below in the comment section. Before we get up on out of here too, real quick, do want to hit on XT Algo, my trading indicator, guys. This is something I built for the normies, for us, for the people that are doing the damn thing, that need the tools and resources. These prices are slashed by 21% when you use the discount code X. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. How you basically use this is you set this right up on the chart. And this is an amazing tool. Like this is the Pepe chart, for example. You can see where the momentum up flashes and the gains that come, then momentum down. And you guys can see like where you should be taking profits with the momentum down. Don't worry, I run through how to use this, by the way. I put together like a half-hour tutorial. When you decide to buy XT Algo, you'll get this tutorial sent right to you, walk you through how to set it up, how to use it to its max capacity, and you guys could be trading like a pro today. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.